Depending on the model, your Mercedes-Benz Sprinter have a spare wheel. Here's how you release it. Changing a flat tire on this larger van can be challenging due to the size and weight of the spare wheels. For your safety and convenience, we strongly recommend referring to your look for the phone number for roadside assistance in the rental agreement or contacting your insurance's roadside service. They are equipped to handle these heavy tires safely. Attempting to change it yourself could lead to injury. Release the toolkit from under the passenger seat in a Mercedes Sprinter van. Locate the tool compartment underneath the seat. There should be a cover or latch securing the toolkit. Release the latch or cover. Depending on the model, you may need to pull a latch, unclip a cover, or unscrew a securing bolt. Once the cover is open, carefully lift the toolkit out of the compartment. Remove both covers from the spare wheel carrier. Then use the tire wrench to turn the bolt 20 times to the left. The spare wheel carrier is fastened underneath the vehicle by 2 safety hooks. Release the left-hand hook first. Then, assemble the pump handle, slide it into the case of the spare wheel carrier, and release the right-hand safety hook. The spare wheel carrier can then be lowered slowly, and the spare wheel can be removed.